Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Luxury 295. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic hatchbacks in automotive history, the Volkswagen Golf. From its sleek exterior to its refined interior and impressive performance, we're going to break it all down for you. Let's get started. Exterior. The Volkswagen Golf continues to set the standard in the compact segment with its clean, timeless design. At the front, you're greeted by sharp LED headlights and a slim, streamlined grille that gives it a modern yet sophisticated look. The strong shoulder lines, sculpted side panels, and available 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels add a sporty touch. At the rear, you'll find sleek taillights and a subtle roof spoiler that hints at the Golf's performance capabilities. Overall, the Golf's design remains understated, elegant, and unmistakably German. Volkswagen has mastered the art of evolution, not revolution, and it really shows here. Interior. Step inside the Golf, and you're welcomed by a cabin that punches above its weight. Premium materials are found throughout, with soft touch surfaces and brushed aluminum accents giving it an upscale feel. The centerpiece is the fully digital cockpit, a 10.25-inch customizable instrument display, paired with a high-resolution 8-inch or optional 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are supportive and comfortable, with available leather upholstery and heating options for colder climates. Rear passengers enjoy generous headroom and legroom, making the Golf a practical choice for both city commuting and weekend getaways. It feels refined, high-tech, and every control is exactly where you expect it to be, a true driver's environment. Performance. Under the hood, the standard Golf comes equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering around 147 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Paired with either a smooth shifting 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Golf offers lively acceleration and great fuel efficiency, averaging around 30 miles per gallon combined. Thanks to its precise steering, well-tuned suspension, and lightweight chassis, the Golf delivers an engaging and confident driving experience. Optional driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking make it not only fun but safe as well. It's nimble, it's responsive, and it really makes everyday driving feel like an event. No wonder enthusiasts love it. The Volkswagen Golf continues to prove why it's a legend. With its refined styling, premium interior, fun-to-drive nature, and everyday practicality, it remains one of the best all-around vehicles in its class. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or a seasoned driver who values quality and performance, the Golf is a choice you'll never regret. If you're looking for a car that does it all, and does it well, the Volkswagen Golf should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive reviews right here on Auto Luxury 295. See you next time.